Let's look at this question number 9 for JAMB Past Questions Biology 2018. The movement of the whole organism to an external stimulus is termed A. Tropism, B. A taxis, C. A nastic movement, D. A phototropic movement. Now, we already know what phototropic movement is towards light, nastic and tropism, but this taxis, or what we call taxism, is very, very important for us to explain in order for us to be able to appreciate this very well. So we say that taxism, or we call it tactic movement, is actually when a whole organism, when the whole of the organism, very, very important, it's not part of the organism, but when the whole of the organism moves directly towards, so whenever you have the whole organism moving directly towards or away, it's either they are moving towards or away from a stimulus. That is what we call taxism. The stimulus comes from a particular direction and the response of the organism is in relation to the stimulus. Such movement occurs in, so where can we see taxism? Example is, as we see in amoeba, these small microorganisms, when they want to respond, the whole of their body move. Unlike human being, where parts of the body move. We also have paramecium. You can see it in paramecium. You can also see it in earthworm. So these are where we can see these taxism movements or tactic. So a taxis is the answer because we're talking about the movement of the whole organism. Whenever we have the movement of the whole organism in response to stimulus, we call it taxism or a tactic movement. So option A is the answer to this. Thank you.